Hey guys, what is up? I've missed you. I feel like I haven't been on here very well recently, but I'm back with a video today and we're doing my skincare favourites. A couple of things I've put into my skincare recently which I'm just loving and I can't wait to share with you. But also I've made a couple of switches which I need to update you on. So this is kind of like a favourites and a skincare update. Okay, so the first product I want to talk to you about is the one that I'm just most excited to share with you. So if you guys don't know, I do work for Pi Skincare. That's like my normal job, and they've just released a new product yesterday which is the Lightwork Rosehip Cleansing Oil. I've actually been able to test this out for the last couple of weeks. This has quickly turned into one of my favourite products that Pi do, and it's just absolutely beautiful. It's a cleansing oil, but the thing that I love about it is that it really does all come off the skin. So the cleanser, it contains natural emulsifiers, so when water hits it, it emulsifies and gets it off the skin. So when you like wash off a cleanser with oil, usually you need a cloth to get all the residue off, but this one's different. You don't need a cloth, so you can actually just remove it with water and it all comes off your skin, which for me is so important, especially with a more acne prone skin type. You know, I can't have loads of oil building up on my skin because that's when I will break out and I'll get congestion. The smell of it is absolutely divine. It's really uplifting. I find it quite a fresh scent. Now this oil cleanser will get off makeup and, you know, all that kinds of stuff, but I actually love using it on days when I'm actually not wearing makeup and I just want to cleanse my skin in the evening, because I find it's just the perfect gentle cleanser that, you know, gives you that wash, but it's not too much. I don't know how to explain. It's just really nourishing and I really love it. So if you watched my travel skincare routine, if you haven't, I'll leave a card here. Then I mentioned in that video that I was trying out a new moisturiser, which is the Pi Avocado and Jojoba Hydrating Day Cream. Now the reason why I was trying this was because the cream that I do use, the Dr. Jackson one, the #2 cream, I absolutely love it and I still do use it. It's my night cream. I just swear by that stuff, but it's so expensive. It's like £80 a pot, and although it does last a really long time, I did want to see if I can try and find something else that works for my skin that's a little bit, you know, not as expensive. So yeah, I gave this a go and I've been absolutely loving it. It's staying in my skincare. It is perfect for me in the day. In terms of their moisturiser, this is the more like one for dry skin. Now for me, I have more oily combination skin, so I actually just use less of it. So when I pump it out, I probably pump maybe a third of a pump out. You really don't need much because it spreads such a long way. So yeah, I pump a third of it out. And then the other skin favourite, I've mentioned this on my channel before, but recently I've just gone back to it and fallen in love like all over again, is frankincense oil. So I've been putting a couple of drops, like just 2 drops into my moisturiser. So I'll take a little pump of this, take two drops of this onto my hands, add a little bit of my EUK 134 as well, but then I just massage them into the tips of my hand and then I press into my skin. I've actually stopped like rubbing my creams in and I've been pressing, and I just really love it. And this combination and what I'm doing for my skin at the minute is really working for me, and I'm really happy with the results. Frankincense, it's just so anti-inflammatory. It's amazing for healing the skin. It speeds up the healing process as well. So if I have a spot, I always mark. I literally mark like a peach. So it really helps to speed up those, you know, red marks from like acne and breakouts. So really love it. Another one that I've spoken about loads of times on my channel, but my love for it literally grows as time goes on, but I've actually been using it so much more. So it's the Kukui and Jojoba Bead Skin Brightening Exfoliator from Pi. So before I was using it just after doing a face mask, which was about 2 times a week. But if I'm going to be really honest with you guys, I've actually been using it pretty much every single day. I know I've done a video on, you know, the effects of over exfoliating, but in that video I was talking about AHA and, like, you know, the acids that do that. My skin responds so well to a gentle exfoliant. I want to talk about collagen. Now this has been, you know, a hype for a while now, but I didn't really jump on the bandwagon. And then this brand called the Matcha Reserve, they actually reached out to me and they asked me, you know, do I want to try some stuff? And the thing with me, like, I mean, you guys know I don't really share any brands on my channel. I've never ever in my life done a sponsored post, for example. I've never done like anything like that, or like, you know, gifted. I don't get sent stuff, but that's also mainly because sometimes when people email me, I actually am so honest. I'll look at the ingredients, and if it's not going to be right for my skin, I say, you know, I don't want to waste your money sending me that product. So I actually just you know, say no to a lot of stuff. But this brand reached out to me and I was super interested because they have so many different products on their sites. It's not just collagen, they also do loads of adaptogens, so like Mako, which you know I use every day. They do like loads of like ashwagandha's adaptogen. They do all the mushroom stuff as well, so there's loads of different products. But I saw these two, which is the Beauty Bomb is for skin, hair and nails, and this one contains organic maca, which you guys know I use every day, organic blueberry, and then collagen. And then I also got the marine collagen powder. Now this is the thing, when you make changes not only with your skincare and with other stuff, when your skin is responding so well, it's a little bit like, I don't know what's really causing the response. But I wanted to pop these into this video because I started using these when I started making changes in my skin, so it could just be a combination of it all. I've just been doing a teaspoon of this in the morning and a teaspoon of this at night, and yeah, I just wanted to mention it. I must say, like, the past couple of weeks, just my digestion and my skin has been on like an upward incline. Like, I'm happy with it, and I feel like this is contributing to it. When this company actually did reach out to me, they did mention in their email something about a discount code, so I'm gonna look through my email and see, and like talk to them and see if I can get one, and I'll pop it in the description box. And also on my Life with Ed channel, where I show more about like what I eat and like my, you know, day-to-day life, I will try and include, you know, how I actually use these in recipes. So yeah, if you want to go see that, then make sure you subscribe to Life with Ed as well. I've got one more thing to talk to you guys about, and it's a body scrub. Now, it's not actually this container, this is an old Rituals pot. It's actually a scrub that I've made at home. It's like a homemade one, and I've been absolutely loving it. It is the best scrub I've actually ever used, and it's so cheap and so easy. So all it contains is, I got some honey, just like, you know, cheap old honey from the supermarket, and then I mixed it with, you know, Demira sugar, so like the real grainy sugar. I mixed it, no, I didn't do any like certain measurements, I literally just eyeballed it. And then I took some essential oils. I took some grapefruit essential oil and some lemon, I think, as well. I added to it, and I just added a couple of drops of essential oil into it, mix it all up. It's just so good. It does the job really well. And the reason why I love a scrub is that I'm really prone to getting ingrown hairs, especially on my upper part of my thigh, because I wax my legs. I need to exfoliate basically to make sure it prevents that from happening, and I try and exfoliate every single day on my legs. This is just such a cheap and inexpensive way. The honey moisturizes my legs, it's really kept my skin nice and soft and supple, and yeah, the best thing about it is it's just so cheap. If you guys want me to like do a video, I might do it like on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at Ebony Jane Hensler. I'll do a little post maybe over there about how I do the scrub, because it's just so simple and easy. It'll be like a 30-second video. But anyway guys, that is actually everything that I have here really to talk about. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'd love to know what your skincare favourite is at the minute. Let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you guys and hearing what you guys are loving. But that is it from me today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you click the subscribe button and come join the team if you haven't already. And to my side right now, I'll pop my last video, which was, what was my last video? Oh, how to pop a spot. That's the one, how I pop my spot. So yeah, if you want to go see that one, then click the video to the side. But anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.